for I make them weep so often. But I cannot help it, for I die of hunger for your love, for nothing else. And if you do not hold me in profit for it, my life will be very short. But you are so chosen to nobly accomplish what pleases you, that when it is your will, all my torments will be at rest. But I dare not cry mercy to you, so much I fear you, and so much I love you. Yet lady, by my appearance it shows how I burn for you and am set aflame. For in my mouth I have the coal of love's fire, many a time, from which the ember will never be extinguished until I am placed kissing yours, which speaks so sweetly, by which you steal so many hearts, that not one knows where to turn. And from a thief I cannot guard myself, for I am bound by a chain that cannot be broken, nor ever for anything as long as I live. Lady, without you nothing will be good for me, for in your beautiful form and in the worthy worth that guides you, my will is fulfilled. I am so in love with you that I do not turn to another side, nor can I part